Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete Time Doctor account. Now what I want you to do is, if you are on the app, just come here, click on the left hand panel on this icon. It will take you to your dashboard. It'll open it up on your browser, and then what you do from here, you click on settings. Okay, click here on users, and you'll see all the users for your company. Remember, you need to be at least an owner, okay, to go ahead and delete people under you. Then all you need to do is just come here on the right hand panel. You'll see actions. So here you'll see the names of the people, and here you'll see actions. So let's say we want to delete our admin right here. So we'll click on this trash can icon, permanently delete. So click on that, and this user will be deleted. All their data will be deleted. You can just choose any reason, doesn't really matter. And then you just need to go ahead and type this to confirm. I'll just copy that and I will paste it in. Click on delete forever, and there you go. The user has been permanently deleted. And that is how to delete Time Doctor account.